Next, find the value of 2 raised to 2001 plus 2 raised to 1999 upon the whole upon 2 raised to 2000 minus 2 raised to 1998. Now this is simple, but we need to apply brains. What is 2001? Here one common thing which we see is 2000 is there common in everyone. Means what? 2001 means 2000 plus 1. 1999 means 2000 minus 1. This 2000 as it is, and this 1998 means 2000 minus 2, or this you can write it 2000 plus 0 also for 2000. Okay, so what it becomes? 2 raised to 2000 into 2 raised to 1, right? Why? Because x raised to a plus b equals to x raised to a into x raised to b, right? So 2 raised to 2000 into 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to 2000 into 2 raised to minus 1, the whole upon 2 raised to 2000 into 2 raised to 0 plus minus 2 raised to 2000 into 2 raised to minus 2. Now 2 raised to 2000 can be taken common, so it becomes 2 raised to 2000 common, 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to minus 1, the whole upon 2 raised to 2000 again, 2 raised to 0 minus 2 raised to minus 2. Now this gets cancelled, 2 raised to 2000. So problem becomes simpler now. So now the problem becomes 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to minus 1 upon 2 raised to 0 minus 2 raised to minus 2. That much. Now we'll convert this minus 1 to plus 1 and minus 2 to plus 2. It is 2 raised to 1 means 2 only, plus 1 upon 2, right? Upon this 2 raised to 0 is 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to 2, right? 2 raised to minus 2 becomes 2 raised to 2. Now again solve this. So this becomes 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 upon 2, and this 2 square becomes 4. We'll solve this also now. So numerator becomes 5 upon 2 and denominator 4 1 the 4 minus 1, 3 upon 4, right? So what is now a upon b, the whole upon c upon d equals to ad upon bc. So this expression becomes what? 5 upon 2 below into 4 upon 3, right? AD upon BC. So just solve this, you get 20 by 6, that is 10 by 3. That is the required answer.